Hello, welcome to my video for week 9. Let me show you what I got here. Go over to Eclipse. All right, so I'm going to go into my main class, project.java. First thing I really did is I implemented the scanner so that we can obtain user inputs for the menu that we made. I created a private instance variable called operations. It's a list of string, and the only method with that is add a project right now. I have a main method, and I call upon display menu, a method I created. So for display menu, we just use a switch statement to go through, and depending on the user input, just has different cases that do different things. So really the only options being right now, exit menu or add project. And then if the user doesn't put in the right information, it'll throw an error, throw an exception. It's surrounded by a try-catch statement. So yeah, I'll show you that in a minute. I have a method here called add project that I also created over here in project service. And that just has some local variables. Project name, we use get string input, estimated and actual hours, get decimal input, difficulty, get int input, and notes, we use get string input. And then I instantiate that class projects, I add those values. If the user successfully adds all the information, it prints a message, you added this project, and then the project name. And then I have all my methods, get decimal input, which will print an error message if the user doesn't enter a decimal. Exit menu, get operation, which just takes the user input for the menu, print operations, prints the different options in the menu, and then, yeah, get int input and get string input. Let me show you the project.dao. So I added some constants, material table, project, step, category, and project category table. Have a method here called insert projects that just inserts all the necessary information into project table. And then I got a try catch statement here. It tries to obtain a connection called con. Start transaction con, got some prepared statements, tries to add the information to the table for the projects, execute update, and then commit transaction. And then if all of that is successful, it should return projects. All right, so let me just show you that this works. Let me run it really quick. So let's just enter something that isn't correct, like ABC. So through an exception, ABC is not a valid number. Try again. Enter like a 5. 5 is not valid. Try again. We can press enter to quit, exiting the menu. And then let me just show you that it actually works and that we could add some project information. So 1, project name, we'll just do test. Make up some hours here. Test notes. So here's all the information we added. Successfully obtained connection. You added this project. Let me go over to dbeaver and show you that it worked and that we added that info in. Go into table here. Let's go into project table. There we go. See, here's number 5, that test that I added. These are just different tests. Yeah, it seems to be working good. I'm excited to add more stuff to this project. And yeah, thanks for watching my video this week.